Whoa, it's been a year. July 11th, 2020 made 1 year since my big chop, and now I'm coloring my hair back black and doing some serious self-care. And you guys, like, July 20th is the day that I'm posting this, and today is my birthday. So self-care, birthday love, some lint checks and stuff. Chill, watch this video to the end because it's my birthday. Okay, so we're finally gonna go ahead and do this lint check. I just took my braids out. Make sure you check the links in the description box below so you can check out these videos when I did my first initial big chop. I was crazy to myself, and I don't know why, but I cried. So I don't know. Go ahead and check the links in the description box below so you can watch those videos. And shablam, before we get all the way started, make sure you go ahead and subscribe here to my channel. And once you subscribe, be sure to click that bell notification so you're notified every time I post another video. So just took my braids out. This is the amount of shedding that I had. You guys know I've colored my hair since the blonde, but this is where we are right now. So now I'm just going ahead and using some petroleum to block my follicles and stuff so I won't color my skin. And now I am going to go ahead and introduce you to my lovely sponsors. I love Pureauty Naturals, and they have this amazing skin firming night cream. So we're gonna get into that in a second. Make sure you stick around, but all of their information can be found in the description box below. So mixing this color up using Joico and of course Olaplex. Make sure you guys go ahead and check the link in the description box below and check out my full Olaplex video so you can learn a little bit more about it, because I have part 2 coming very, very soon. Now, if you saw my first videos on my big chop, you'll know that initially the reason that I color my hair is just so it'll be really, really easy for you guys to follow this whole growth process and all of that. But I'm feeling like I want really, really dark hair, so I'm going like super duper duper dark. It's like blue black with like a silver tint to it. It's like blue black on a whole nother level. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this color in. I need you guys to really, really remember that whenever you're putting color on your hair, especially if you're going from light to dark, putting color on your hair is not as simple as just taking it and rubbing it across your fingers. The first thing you need to do is comb it through, and then you need to go ahead and massage it into the cuticle, because remember, when you are coloring your hair, what you're doing is mixing up a chemical that is going to lift the cuticle and then put color inside of the cuticle, a new pigment, and then close it back up safely. That is what you're doing. And then if you're going lighter, you're putting the color on that's going to take out the natural pigment that you have and then deposit some artificial pigment. So it's really important that you work it all the way through, and it's even more important, girl, that you know what you're doing, girl. You will notice too that as I color hair, especially when you're using professional color, it's going to oxidize. So you will notice that now the color is a lighter color, and then the longer we go, it's going to get darker and darker and darker and darker. Okay, so keep watching. I'll be back. Give you up. When do I? Hey again. So whenever you are going from lighter to darker, you may want to let it sit just a little longer. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into my skincare routine. This time I'm using lotion. Okay, I'm not about to put a whole bunch of stuff on my face, and I am not using a actual straight razor. I know you guys saw me say in another. I can't talk, and I'm not doing this voiceover over. You guys heard me say in another video that I didn't like women shaving their faces. I don't like women shaving their faces with straight razors at home. But your girl, my face is a little hairy, so I'm shaving my face. And then after I do this, I'm going to go ahead and give myself a facial with some matcha and aloe, and then I am going to use my Pureauty Naturals. But as you can see, I do have hair on my face. Did you see it? It was a lot. I get it from my daddy's side. I'm not trying to be stank if any of y'all watching, but it's from y'all. So please note that I'm not actually arching my eyebrows or anything, but they're like little centipedes on my face. So every now and then I clean them up and stuff. So that is all that's happening, and I couldn't see for a minute. So don't judge me. And it's a little bit of wine in that cup. I'm grown. So anywho, now I'm going to go ahead and I just love Pureaty Naturals. But anywho, let's use this matcha green tea powder, and I'm mixing this with some aloe vera gel, and you want to just make sure you get it in there real good. Make sure you check the link in the description box below so you can head over to my blog and read up on matcha and aloe so you can see why it is such a good thing to do with your skin, and it's actually pretty easy to get. Yes, but I am also using this jade stone, and that is what I'm going to use to get the blood circulating in my face. Remember, this is like a skin firming, skin tightening, skin moisturizing type of facial. So the first thing we want to do is get the blood going upward because we want everything to stay lifted. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and rub on myself and stuff, and then I'll be back after the shower because we're gonna have some ASMR action going on with the shower. So I'll be back after that. Okay, so let's get into this Pureauty Naturals. You guys know I love them. This is their advanced formula. This night cream enhances the appearance of skin's elasticity and firmness. So like I said, for a skin tightening facial, that is something that you need to do. And I've actually been using this on my skin every night before bed, as well as on my chest and my shoulders. I want you guys to know my skin is really, really, really sensitive, and everything breaks my skin out. And as you can see, it is not broken out. Okay, I love this stuff, and I will say that my skin feels firm, not that it feels unfirm, but you know, speaking of skin and elasticity, okay, your girl is 30. Okay, today is my birthday, so I love you guys. My Cash App is in the, you know, it's below, just in case. I mean, if you don't want to, that's cool, but you know, if you feeling like you love me like I love you, my Cash App is down there, and it's true. So okay, my curls, I'm actually feeling them. I'm just going through right now just to make sure I didn't miss any spots, even though, to be honest with you, if I did miss any spots, the spot was just going to be missed. I did leave the color on a little longer than normal because I was doing stuff around the house and stuff in my new garden. Oh my god, I cannot wait to show you guys. I have a new greenhouse and stuff, but we not going, that's not what this video is about. Click the link in the description box below. But this is my hair so far, a year later, a year after my big chop. Okay, so I think my hair is doing pretty good. Let me know in the comments below what you think about my growth process so far. If you haven't done so already, make sure you go ahead and binge watch some videos on my channel, starting with my playlist. Now I'm looking dusty. This is the next night, but I went ahead and used some more of it, and I wanted to show you guys I'm using this every night. And here we go. That following day, this is how my skin is looking. As you can see, I didn't shape up my eyebrows because they're still looking crazy, but I think my skin is doing pretty good. I'm having a slight little outbreak, but I mean, I don't think you can see it on camera, and if you can, oh well. But I love you guys so much. Get into it. Let me know in the description box. Oh my god, not the description box. I'm not doing this voiceover over y'all. Oh, this voiceover over y'all. Just love me for me, okay? My curls look good, in my opinion. Today is my birthday. I can mess up if I want to, okay? I love you. Subscribe and stuff and shit, right?
Bye.